Hi friends, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the most important days in the month of January, which are most essential for all competitive exams. So Jan 1st we will celebrate as New Year. We already know that, but there is one more important day, that is Global Family Day. And Jan 2nd World Introvert Day. Jan 3rd Sunday World Religion Day. It was established in 1950. Coming to Jan 3rd International Mind Body Wellness Day. Jan 4th Myanmar Independence Day, World Braille Day. Jan 6th World Day for War Orphans. Jan 9th Pravasi Bharati Divas, NRI's Day. Actually, this day is celebrated on the day where Gandhiji came to India from South Africa in 1915. That is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. And also Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti is also celebrated on Jan 9th. Coming to Jan 10th, World Laughter Day, World Hindi Day. Jan 11th, International Day for Peace in Kenya. National Human Trafficking Awareness Day. Lal Bahadur Shastri Death Anniversary. Jan 12th, National Youth Day. It was celebrated on Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. Jan 15th, Indian Army Day. Jan 16th, National Startup Day. Jan 17th, Election Commission Day. Jan 19th, World Peace Day. Jan 23rd, Desh Prem Divas. It was celebrated on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary. Jan 24th, National Girl Child Day, and also International Day of Education. Jan 26th, Indian Republic Day, we already know that, and also International Customs Day, Australia Day. Please remember on Jan 26th. Jan 27th, International Holocaust Remembrance Day. Jan 28th, Lala Lajpat Rai's birth anniversary. Jan 30, Martyrs Day. It was celebrated on Mahatma Gandhi death anniversary, and also World Leprosy Education Day. Jan 31st, International Zebra Day and World Leprosy Eradication Day. These are the important days in the month of January. These are very useful for all competitive exams. Thank you, friends.